Good morning, students. Today I am going to start Chemistry of Standard 6. Chapter is Mixtures and their Separations, Part 1. In this part, we will first discuss about pure substances. In the last chapter, we had already discussed regarding pure substance. Let us recall again what is a pure substance. A pure substance consists of particles of only one kind. That means only one kind of particles are present in pure substances. There are two types of pure substances, elements and compounds. Elements are made up of same kind of particle, that is atoms, and compounds are made up of same kind of particle, those are molecules. You must remember some of the examples of elements like gold, silver, aluminium, iron, and so on. And some of the examples of compound like water, sodium chloride, and many more are there. So let us discuss again some of the characteristics of pure substances. A pure substance has a definite composition. What does it mean? It means a pure substance like gold is made up of only one kind of atom. That means in the composition of gold only one kind of particles are there. So it has a definite composition. Next is a pure substance has a definite set of properties. All atoms of gold or all atoms of iron or all atoms of water, like in a molecule of a water, if hydrogen and oxygen is present, all possess definite set of properties. Third is a pure substance has fixed melting and boiling points. Like water melts at 0 degrees Celsius and starts boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. So all pure substances start melting and boiling at a fixed point. Next is pure substances cannot be separated into components by physical means, like the example of water made up of oxygen and hydrogen, H2O. So, two hydrogen atoms, one oxygen atom. But we cannot separate out by any physical means. Physical means by breaking or by separating them manually, physically. That cannot be possible to separate the constituent or components present in a pure substance. Next is we will go for the another substance that is not pure, that is mixtures. Mixtures are made up of or consist of two or more substances in any proportion. Like the formation of compound, the constituent present in a fixed ratio, like in water 2 hydrogen 1 oxygen. But while preparation of a mixture, the constituent present in the mixture can be made up of two elements, one element, one compound, or two compounds in any ratio or any proportion, and they also do not undergo any chemical changes. Characteristics of mixtures. As I told, the substance that is present in a mixture, like elements or compounds, they can be present in any ratio. The simplest example, the mixtures that you are eating at home, that the different particles present in it, like the peanuts or the different pulses that is present in the mixture, that may be in any ratio or any proportion. A mixture does not have any specific property of its own. The constituent present in the mixture has its own property. The mixture formed does not have any fixed or specific property. A mixture does not have a fixed melting or boiling point. Whenever we are taking any mixture and we are going to boil it, like if you are going to take water and then add some sugar, 1 spoonful of sugar to it, then you start boiling it or the sugar starts melting. If you take 2 spoonfuls of sugar into water, same quantity of water, you will see the difference that the melting of sugar will take more time or the boiling of water will take more time. So mixture does not have a fixed melting or boiling point. The constituent of a mixture can be separated by simple physical means. What can be those physical means that we'll study during this chapter? Let us discuss an example of mixture, that is a solution. Just now I had given an example of a solution, that is sugar solution or salt solution. A solution is one in which one constituent dissolves in another, like sugar get dissolved in water. So the substance that dissolved in water is known as solute. So sugar is the solute here, salt is the solute here. The substance in which the solute dissolves, that is the water, or if in milk, if you are going to pour 1 spoonful of sugar and going to dissolve it, then that is known as solvent. So the examples of solution can be sugar solution, salt solution, or many more solutions. Now, let us discuss few points to understand more the mixture and the compound, the pure and the impure substance. The first difference between compound and mixture is compound is a pure substance, whereas mixture is an impure substance. Compound is formed of 2 or more elements combined together chemically, whereas mixtures are made up of 2 or more substances that are not chemically combined. Means when water is formed by hydrogen and oxygen, they are chemically combined. That's why they cannot be easily broken into constituent again. Whereas mixtures are made up of 2 or more substances that are not chemically combined. We can separate out the constituent of the mixtures because of this property of mixture, that they are not chemically combined by physical means. Compound has a definite composition, whereas mixtures has variable composition. As I said, like hydrogen 2 atom, oxygen 1 atom combined to give 1 molecule of water. So it has a definite composition. The constituent present in a compound has a fixed ratio, whereas mixtures can be mixed in any proportion, in any ratio, in variable composition. The constituent of a compound can be separated only by chemical means because they are chemically combined, whereas the constituent of a mixture can be separated by simple physical means like using our hands or using any simple machine. We can separate out the constituent present in a mixture. While discussing the characteristics of the mixture, we had discussed that compounds has fixed melting and boiling point, whereas mixture does not have fixed melting and boiling point. Many more are there to differentiate between compound and mixture. but these are the main points to understand compounds and mixtures.